Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do niche research for print on demand 3 methods. When you're first starting a prayer on demand journey, you're going to be researching everything you can, watching all the YouTube videos and trying to know as much about the process and how to start up your store. Well, at least that's what I did. And one of the things that I absolutely overlooked was doing market research. I never really asked the question of why would you try to sell a product or design that has no demand for it. So in this video, we'll be doing over some of the ways that you can actually do market research to figure out what products and design actually do have a demand for them. Before the video starts, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really helps me out. Market research is one of the most important parts of a successful business, and that's something that I kind of knew but didn't put enough emphasis on. I really only started understanding it after I had started and launched my own business, put out products and design that just weren't doing well. By brutal forcing my way into the market, I have made some sales and a little bit of profit, but I'm absolutely nowhere near the level that I want to be and the level that I have talked with other people about. I have been fortunate enough to talk to other people who have made a lot of success selling print on demand products and especially on Etsy. And what I found is that they do their market research before they even start creating the products or the designs to put on their store. In this video, I want to go over just a few methods that you guys can use to do market research, and the final one is actually the one that I am going to be using to revamp my stores and try all over again. The first method is to use Google Trends. Google Trends is an incredibly powerful tool that can actually show you exactly how much interest there is in a certain topic. Not only is this tool good for showing you what's working right now or what's being searched right now, but it's also really good at showing you some good keywords that you could put in your title or your text or somewhere in your descriptions. The best way to use this tool is to either search up terms that you are actually planning on using or to pretend that you are the customer. So, for example, let's pretend that I am in the niche and I am trying to find myself a nice mom shirt. Maybe it's my mom's birthday, maybe it's Mother's Day, but I'm just looking for a nice mom shirt. So, I am going to type in mom's shirt. What you will notice is that there's actually a good amount of search for this and it's going up. We can also see that the related searches gives us some more ideas on designs that we could start making because these are also terms that are getting searched up right now. There is a lot really good data that you can get from these two, and you can even start comparing different search terms to see which ones are working better. So let's compare mom's shirt with dad's shirt and see what happens. We will notice that for the most part, that's pretty even. There are a few spikes and then it does come down to a little bit, but what we should look at is why are there spikes, and do these spikes happen every single year? And if we start looking at this kind of trends, you will notice that the mom's shirts are spiking right around Mother's Day and the dad shirts are actually spiking right before Father's Day. So this gives us an idea of when people are looking for this product and when we can actually capitalize the most on selling these products. So to summarize, Google Trends is great for not only showing you if a certain search term is getting searched a lot, but also when it's getting searched a lot now. This second method is a little bit different, a little bit harder to start using. Google Trends will show us when something is getting searched and how often it's getting searched, but we want to know what is getting a lot of attention and what is getting sold a lot. To do this, we can actually focus on ads that we are getting shown. So whenever you are on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, look out for the ads that you are getting and see what exactly is doing well and what isn't doing well. There's the idea that you can actually follow the money. Where is all this advertising budget coming from? And there's probably a big advertising budget for a reason, and that's because the product is actually selling. And so when you are scrolling through Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, the two things that you want to look at the most are how often are you seeing ads for one specific product, and two, how good is the engagement with those products. Now